All right, welcome Shruti ma'am. We are already set. Ma'am, I'm making you the host itself.
Morning. Good morning.
Morning. You don't need a breakout room, right, ma'am?
No, I don't need that.
Okay, so I'll just make you the co-host. You can share everything else is remaining.
Why can't you?
Safia, Amina, Abdullah, Farhana. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Only four of us are here. Okay, so today I'll be taking a game as you told me last week. So ready to play that game?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be today we'll be playing factors and multiples together. We'll be doing. Okay.
Ma'am, which teams?
Teams, same team is fine, na? We'll keep the team same. You want to change it?
No, ma'am, the teams are okay.
Teams are okay, na? Let
Can
us.
you just repeat the names, ma'am?
I'll repeat. Let everyone come, then I'll repeat the names and then we'll start. Okay, one more reminder is there for Monday's class. You know what I have told you to bring? Remember? Balloons and straws. Yeah, straw, even if you don't get, it is fine, but bring balloons, okay? So minimum 3-4 balloons, keep it with you so that if one or two breaks, that is fine. Okay. So Muazzam, Mudabbir, Sakleen, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Who is left now? I think Ahmad is left. Munib is not come. Munib is not there, and Ahmad is not there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Umaira is also not there. Okay, let us wait for one more minute and then we'll start. Okay. Okay, I'll announce the names of the team. Team we had that day, we had Team A, Farhana, Safia, Muazzam, Mudabbir, Ahmad. Okay, Ahmad has come? No, not yet. Okay, Team 2, Amina. Amina is there, Humaira is not there, Munib is not there, Sakleen and Abdullah. Okay, so Team B has got till now Amina, Munib is not there, Amina, Sakleen and Abdullah. Only 3 persons are there. Na? And Team A, all of you are there. Farhana, Safia, Muazzam, Mudabbir, Ahmad is not there. Okay, so fine. Shall we start with the game?
Yes.
They will join in and they
Yes.
will continue. Yeah, Sakleen is there. Okay. Let me share screen. All of you mute yourself, okay? And let me tell you the rules. I'll call your names and that person only will answer, okay? Otherwise, the other team will get the points, okay? So be careful with your marks. Last time it happened, right? So I'll share the screen. Let's start. Okay, you can see the screen now?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. So let me officially still introduce Kawsar. Kawsar, are you loud and
Okay,
clear?
so you can see this number grids are there till 100. Okay, so the rules I'm going to tell you right now.
All right. Umar,
Listen to the rules first. Mute yourself, everyone. Safia, please mute.
okay,
Yeah,
no one needs help.
yeah.
Aisha.
Okay, Munib and Ahmad also they have joined. Munib, can you hear me?
Ma'am, loud and clear.
Okay, Ahmad, am I audible?
Ma'am, on which team I am?
Yeah. Okay, Munib. Now we are going to start with the game. Okay. So your team, you remember Munib, you are in team B, that is with Amina, Humaira, Munib, Sakleen and Abdullah. Okay. And Ahmad, you are in team A with Farhana, Safia, Muazzam and Mudabbir. Humaira, you are there now? Can you hear me, Humaira? Yeah. Yeah, Humaira? Can you hear me? Okay, so remember, Humaira, you are in team B. Okay. Okay, so let us start with the game. Now I'm telling you the rules. Listen to it, everyone. Just listen. See, the rules are little bit of different. Team A and Team B are there. We'll start with the same rule. That is, Team A will give one number to Team B, and that marks, that points will be under Team A only. Okay, and the number which you are giving to the other team should be less than 50. Okay, understood this? Understood? Humera, clear? So team A, first of all, team A will give the number, and what team B has to do, only two numbers you have to tell. One will be factor and one will be multiple. Both factor and both multiple you don't have to say. You just give one factor and one multiple, and I'll call out the name, and that person will give the answer. Understood? And whatever number you are giving, the factor, that will be the score of your team. And then you will give another number which is less than 50. So whenever you are giving a number, it should be less than 50. Okay, and when you are giving answer like factor and multiple, it can be greater than 50 also. Understood the rule? When you are giving a number to the other team, it will be less than 50. But suppose if I give 25, suppose one team gives 25, because it is less than 50, you can give 25 to other team. So other team can give multiple as 75 also. Okay, because you can give the answer as greater than 50, but when you are giving other team a number, it will be less than 50. Clear, everyone? Any doubt is there? No? Okay, so
Ma'am,
yeah,
if the other team gives us a number, we should choose factors and multiples, right?
right, you have to choose one factor and one multiple.
Okay.
It can
We have to give both factors and multiple.
Yes, you have to give both, because you have both now. So but one factor should be there and one multiple should be there, and it can lie between 1 to 100, not greater than that. Okay, on the board only it should be there, so that I'll cut the numbers. Okay, so we'll start with team A. Team A, okay, team A is Farhana, Safia, Muazzam, Mudabbir and Ahmad. Okay, I'll start with Ahmad. Ahmad, which number will you give to team B?
Number 47.
47, okay. I'll cut 47 over here, and now I'm coming to team, I'll come to team B. Now team B, Amina, you give me one factor of 47. Unmute, Amina.
I'm just finding.
Yeah. Humaira, can you give me one multiple? You have to do fast. 47 is a prime number. That way you have to think. Is it a prime number, Amina?
Oh, yeah.
So what factor will be there?
One.
That only. Humaira, what is a multiple? Humaira, what is a multiple?
It's the prime number.
Multiple, you can multiple to anything can be there. You know what is multiple? Na? You have to multiply it with 1, 2, 3, 4. So till within 100, any multiple you can give.
One.
Puneet, can you give me one multiple of 47?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yeah. See, when they give you a question, just be ready with the answer. One factor and one multiple, so that I can ask anybody and anyone will give the answer. Okay. Anybody is ready with the answer? Amina?
Yes, ma'am. Multiple is 94.
94. It is 47 into how much?
2. 47 into 2.
So you
Ma'am.
90?
94.
4. Yes. So 94 is cut. Now which number, Munib, which number you will give to team A? Fast, any number you can give. Don't take so much time. Then whole class will be gone in this game only.
39.
39. Okay. So team A, be ready with 39 answer. Okay. Team A, 39. What is the factor for 39? Where is 39? Okay. So what is, just give me a multiple. Okay. I'll be asking. Farhana, can you give me a multiple for,
Okay. Ma'am, 2 minutes. Huh?
yeah. All of you be ready. Safia, you can be ready with factor, multiple, anything.
And for the question we get, we don't have to find prime factor, right? Only.
Ma'am, 39 goes in
Any
the
factor
table
you
of
can give, not
three.
necessarily prime. Yeah, Farhana, you are giving me answer.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Safia, tell me.
39
Ma'am,
goes
the multiple of 39 is 78.
70.
8.
and factor is 3.
Yes. So you have told factor 3. So I'll write 3 as factor. 3 is gone. And 39 into what you did?
78.
2.
39 into 2 is how much?
78.
78. Okay. Now, Muazzam, which number you will give to team B? 78. And let me remind me also to cut the numbers, okay? So that the numbers are cut. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Muazzam, which number you will give to team B?
Ma'am, 11.
Okay, 11. So I'll write 11 over here. Team B, get ready with your answers. One factor and one multiple, okay?
Ma'am, I have multiple.
One factor and one multiple, okay? And remember, when numbers
Ma'am.
are giving, it should be less than 50.
Ma'am,
Okay, yeah, Abdullah, tell me multiple.
99 multiple.
Okay, okay. So maximum mark.
Ma'am, factor can I say?
Yeah, factor. Who will give me factor?
Ma'am, can I say
Emma,
factor?
can you give me a factor for 11?
The prime number.
Yeah, it's the prime number. One is already gone. So you cannot get score over here. So Humaira, give me a number which you should give to team A. Humaira, are you there? Humaira, any number less than 50. Give any number. Are you thinking, Humaira?
Yes, ma'am.
Give any number. You can't take so much time.
Ma'am, can I give a number, ma'am?
25.
Okay, Humaira gave 25.
ma'am,
So, just a moment. Let me write the points over here. 25.
ma'am, multiple 100. 25 4s are 100.
Okay, who is speaking? Safia?
I, yes.
Okay, chalo, I'll give, but without asking, don't speak, Safia. Next time onwards, I'll not give marks to you. I'll give marks to team B. Okay, so multiple is easy. You got 100 over here. So 25 factor, Mudabbir, answer factor for 25. Let me cut 100 over here.
And 5.
Okay, so you got a factor 5 over here. Okay, so now Farhana, give one number to team B. Fast, it should be fast. The game should be very fast.
29.
Okay, so you gave 29. Be ready with 29, team B. Multiple, find out the multiple fast. Where is 29? This is 29. Okay, team B, Saklain, give me a multiple.
Ma'am, can you repeat the number?
No, you cannot. It is cut over board. Whichever number is cut, you cannot repeat. So,
Ma'am, 87 multiple.
how many times? 29 into?
3.
Okay, yes, it is 87.
Ma'am, can I say factor?
Okay, who will tell me the factor?
Can I say ma'am?
Yeah, Amina, tell me the factor.
Ma'am, it's a prime number.
So no factor, 1 is the factor. So
Yes.
you cannot have the number. Okay, Amina, give another number to team A. Fast, huh?
65.
Okay. So, no, you cannot give 65, na? You have to give number less than 50. Okay. So 65 is not there. Another number you have to give.
34.
Okay. Let me erase this number first. Okay, team A, get ready with your answer. Your number is 34. So 34 goes to team B, and team, where is 34? 34 is this. Okay, team A, who will answer? Safi already answered. Ahmad, Ahmad, give me the answer for 34, multiple of 34.
1 minute.
Yeah, find it out and give me how many times you have multiplied. Rest of you, be ready with your factors. Okay, maximum factor that you can find for 34. So team A, Ahmad is finding out the multiple, and all rest of you find out the factors. The maximum factors
can I
will give
say?
more marks. Safia, you have told earlier answer also.
Factor.
Will say now. Mudabbir, can you answer for factor? Ahmad, did you get this? Multiple?
Yes, I got the multiple. 68.
Yeah, how much? 34 into 34? 2. How much? 68. So that is 68. Yeah, Mudabbir, what is the factor for 34?
17.
17, great. So that is 17. So 68 and 17 off the board. Number, who will think? Farhan, one number. Acha,
Ma'am,
very well.
number 50.
Less than 50 it should be. Okay, theek hai, I'll take 50 also.
Ma'am, you
Yeah.
didn't get 68.
I'm doing it. Yeah, remind me to cut all the numbers. Okay. Yeah, so the next number is 50 for team A, team B. So marks will be 50 for team A and team B. Now who is going to tell me the multiple? Abdullah, can you give me the multiple of 50?
Yes, ma'am.
No? You cannot, na?
Ma'am, 15 or 50?
50's first multiple is 100, so that is already gone. So you cannot get the multiple of 50. So don't write on the scoreboard, who is writing over here.
Ma'am, I'll tell factor, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me
Ma'am,
the
I'll
factor.
Ma'am, 2,
2, you are telling me the factor for 2.
10.
Only one factor you have to say. So the maximum, which factor you want to keep on the board. So just find out the maximum factor and that factor you take.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Amina, you
Just a
have?
minute.
You have to write a factor?
2.
Only 2? So I'll write 2 there.
5, 10.
You should have told 10, na? 10 is the bigger
5
factor.
and 10.
Yeah, so just tell me one factor because you want your score to be highest. So
10, ma'am.
you gave me 10. So
10.
I'm just crossing it. So be careful in finding out factors. Give me a greatest factor so that your score increases. Okay. So
Ma'am,
10.
can I choose a number?
Okay. Give me the number for team A.
97.
97. You're checking 97. You cannot give again. It should be what? It should be less than 50 or 50 also is fine. Okay.
Ma'am, my 50 is already cut.
50 is done.
Ma'am, can I say the number?
Ma'am, 49.
49. Okay.
Ma'am,
49. Just wait. Let me write the points. I'm not getting the laser pen. Okay. So the number is 49. Okay. All the numbers on the board are cut on the board. Just check it. Huh? I might forget the numbers to be cut. Okay. 49. Now coming to team A, I want who will give me factor and who will give me this multiple.
I'll give you multiple.
Can I give multiple? Can I
Okay,
give
Farhana,
factor?
give me multiple and Safia,
Okay.
you give me
Factor.
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 Yes.
Ma'am, multiple is 98.
And the factor is 7.
Okay. Factor multiple is 98 and factor is
7.
7. So I'm writing 7 over here. So let me cut the, and Saklain is in the other team.
Ma'am, 7. Cut.
Who will? Safia, Farhana given the answer. Ahmad, give
Ma'am,
me
we
a
didn't
number.
cut 7.
Okay. Ahmad, give me a number for team B. It should be less than 50. 47, 49, 50. Go on, everybody.
38.
38?
Yes.
Okay, 38. So team B get your answer 38. 38. First of all, Amina, give me a multiple for 38. Are you finding out?
Yes. Ma'am, yes, I'm finding.
Yes, Amina?
6. 96. Ma'am, 96.
96, yeah. Okay. 38 into how much? Yes, Amina, 38 into how much?
Ma'am, can I give a multiple, ma'am?
Okay, Abdullah, you give me a multiple. 96 is not the answer. 38 ka multiple is not 96.
76.
Yeah, it is 76. Okay, fine. 76. Now, who will give me a factor for 38? Muneeb, can you give me a factor? Muneeb, Humaira, anyone can give me the answer for factor 38. Just write down the factor in your notebook. For 38, what are the factors?
Ma'am, you forgot to cut the number.
76,
2,
na?
4.
And what else I have not cut? 38 cut already. Okay, who will give me the answer? Humaira and
4. 6.
Saklain. 38. A prime
Ma'am, 2
number.
and 6.
A prime number into 2 is 38. So 2 is still there. 2 is still there. So just find out which prime number into 2 is 38. Can you find out?
Ma'am, 2 into 19.
Yeah, so 2 into 19. You have to be faster. So which number should I write? I'm writing 19 for you.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, 19.
Yeah, 19. Yes, Muni. McLean, give another number to team A.
ma'am, 43. 43.
43 is not cut. Yeah. 43. Okay, team. To finish this game, this will be the last round, okay? So then we'll proceed with the class. So this is the last round. After team A, team B will play and then we'll stop, okay? So team A, 43 number, who will answer? Muazzam, 43 multiple. Yes, 86. So let me cut 86 over here. Factor, are you getting any factor? Who will give me a factor? Any factor is there for 43? Can you tell me, is 43 a prime number? That also you can tell?
Yes.
43 is a prime number, so you won't get any factor. 1 is already cut, gone. So which number you will give? Kafia, which number you will give to team A, team B? This is the last chance.
41.
Okay. 41. So again, you are not getting any factor. So give me a multiple, Amina.
82.
This was Muneeb. Okay. So that is your score on the board. Who will do just do total, everyone, for your
Ma'am,
team.
I'll do.
Yeah, everyone do it. Do this total. I'm not going to total this. So just do it. 2 minutes. Find out the total score for your team. Team A will do the total for your team and team B will do the total for your team. Okay, just do it fast. 2 minutes. It appears that team A is winning. No, you can't say because 99, 94 is here also. 98 is here, 100 is here.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Our team is 658.
Yes, ma'am. 600.
that is team B.
Yes.
658. Okay. Team A, you can use calculator also if you can do using this without using calculator.
It is 658.
Yeah. You got? Team A, anyone? Farhana?
Sir, had to calculate.
I have the answer.
Okay, should I calculate? Or team B can also calculate now for team A.
I'm 678.
How much, Ahmed?
678. 678.
Okay, 678. So this time team A is the winner. Okay, great. Clap everyone for yourself, for everybody. Okay, last time, yeah, you can clap. Everyone can clap. Okay, so now is it clear? The factor and multiple is clear to everyone. This was
Yes,
just
ma'am.
for fun. So now we'll be going to the next slide. Munib, mute yourself. Okay. Yesterday we did 3 questions. Any doubt is there in these 3 questions? Anyone has not got answer or how to do this question? You can ask me right now. Okay. Anyone? Everyone.
No, ma'am, it's very easy.
It's
Very
easy.
easy, ma'am. Yeah.
Everyone, you can ask. Huh? Okay. So next question I'm giving you one more question. Just do 1 or 2 more questions so that LCM is revised and we'll do HCF. So 10, 15 and 25. So start with a common divisor. Which one is a common? 5 is visible over here. So do it fast and give me the answer for 10, 15 and 25. Meanwhile, I'll start doing it over here.
150.
Yeah, how much?
150.
150 you got? Okay, let me do and check it. Rest of you also do it in your notebook. You should be able to do on your own. Okay, I want to see.
Ma'am, what's the number?
See, this is the number 10, 15 and 25. Okay, can you see the number? I'm writing it over here. Put a comma over here. So first number, which number should I divide with? 5. So 5 goes with 2s are 10, 5, 3s are 15 and 5, 5s are 25. Now no common divisor is there. You can see that. So just multiply this whole. All these numbers, you will get the answer. So answer is 5 into 2, 10. Okay. And 5 is a 15. 15 into 10 is 150. Got it? So the answer for this is 150. Understood, Amina, how to do this? 5 into 2 into 3 into 5 because you don't have a common divisor for all 3. So for LCM, you have to take L-shaped multiplication. Okay. And next number is 20, 35 and 45. Do this now. (20, 35 and 45). So I will be doing it, but you do, everyone should do it independently. And if you are not able to do, that means you have not understood the concept. So make it clear now only. Otherwise in HCF, you will have difficulty. So which number should I divide first? Anyone has got the answer? Yeah, 5. So it will be 4. Yes, who has got?
I got 1266.
Okay, let me check it. 1266. Okay, so 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 5, 9s are. Which number should I take now? Because all these have no common divisor. So all these I have to multiply. Now multiply these number. Okay. So can you
From
multiply?
4 we can do 2 twos are right.
You can do, but here it is not required because no common is there. You can multiply
Ma'am.
like this also. L-shaped
Ma'am.
multiplication is also correct. Otherwise,
Ma'am.
you can do it 2, 2, 7 ones are, then 9 ones are, all those things, and you
Ma'am,
will.
I got
1000.
1260.
Yes, ma'am. I
1260.
also got 1260.
Yes.
Okay, let me multiply it. How much we are getting? 5 fours are 20. 20 into 7 into 9 is 1260. Yes.
Ma'am, I am getting 1,575.
How you are getting that?
1260.
1260 is the answer. Just check here. I have done it over here. If you want to continue
Yes, ma'am,
further,
it's that.
it's 1260. See, the solution is here on the board. Okay. So this is your answer. And this one is your last question. 16, 24, 48. Puneet, check your answer. What mistake you have done?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
correct it.
My multiplication little bit
Yeah.
was
Yeah,
little bit wrong.
multiplication might be wrong. So just correct it. Okay, last question is 16, 24 and 48. What answer we are getting? Let me do it over here. 16, 24 and 48. We will start with which number?
2.
2, yes.
2
Good.
8s are 2 12s are, and
2 12s are and 2 20s are.
2
Okay.
8s are 2 12s are,
Again, I will take what? 2 only.
and 2 24s are.
So 2 4s are. Somebody has got the answer. 2 6 are 12 and 2 10s are. Again, I'll take 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 5s are 10. So this is the
Ma'am.
last one. After that, I cannot take a common divisor.
Ma'am,
the
I got
first number
48.
is 48, not 40.
How much is the answer?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I got
the first number is 48, and when you divide it by 2, you don't get
Okay,
20.
I took it wrong. Yes, it is 48, not 40. I myself made mistake over here. Okay. So that is wrong. Just correct it. Don't copy it. I'm going to correct it over here.
16, 18, 3,
Okay. So this should be how much? 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Okay.
24.
Okay. Again 2 6 here. 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12.
12.
2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Then you are doing 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. Now 2 have common divisor. So I will take 3 here. So 2 will come
Ma'am,
as is.
I got the answer. Take 2 also, na?
Yeah. Then we'll do 2 also. Once again 2 you do.
and 144 is the answer.
1 and 1. So the answer is how much? Just check. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 8 2s are 24.
Ma'am, 288.
144.
How
Ma'am, I
much?
am also getting 144.
Yes.
88.
6 2 are 12, 2s are 24. 24 2s are how much? 48, na? Multiply all these things and see.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this step, ma'am, you did 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 6 are 12, no?
Okay,
After that, I multiplied it with 2, not 3, ma'am.
okay, yes, right. Here I should. No, I took it 3 only, na? 3 I took.
But no,
Six.
I am saying
8, huh?
I did it with 2.
Okay, that is fine now. First you take it 2, then you take it 3. Anyway you can take. But the answer is 48. Is it clear to everyone? Not clear. So should I repeat it? Yes, answer is 48. Just see 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24, 2s are 48. Amina, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer is 48. Okay. So now moving on to just erase these scribble please so that we'll continue with HCF. Yeah. Please mute yourself. 288 also remove this. Okay. So we are going to start with 288. Please remove it now. Okay. So we are going to start with HCF. HCF is highest common factor. Highest common factor is the largest number that divides. So it should be common to all the numbers. There are many methods to find HCF. You can do it by prime factorization. You can do it by the repeated division that we were doing for LCM. Or you can do by long division method also. How many of you know long division method? Anyone knows that? Yes? No? Okay. So we'll be doing.
Long division method, I didn't understand.
We have not done it, so we will do it in this chapter only, in this class only.
Ma'am, after the remainder left, then
Okay.
to add a 0 and then like that we have to do, na ma'am? Then
No,
we have to
no,
add
no,
point.
not like that. Okay. First, let me explain the prime factorization. Then we'll go step by step. Okay. So last one is the long division method. It is little difficult. Means what do we say? It is not difficult because you are using a division method. It might appear to be difficult, but it is fine. If you practice, it will be fine for you. Okay, so first let us start HCF using prime factorization. Highest common factor is also called as greatest common divisor. Okay, GCD or HCF. Mostly we say HCF only, but in other places GCD is also called. So what is a prime factorization for 30? For 30, prime factorization is 2
into 3 into 5.
Okay, this you know how to find out the prime factor, so I'm not going into detail. 36 prime factor is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 42 prime only prime factors you have to write. Okay,
2 into 3
2
into
into
7.
3 into 7, and 45 is 3 into 3 into 5. Now just observe all the 4 numbers. Only 1 3 is common in all 4. You can see only 1 3 is common. So this 3 is called as the HCF of all these 4 numbers. So it should be common to 4. All the numbers given, like in LCM, we just take 2 numbers also. If one number is divisible to 2 numbers, then also we take, like in the last question you got 48 answer, you had 2, 6, and I think some more number was there which was divisible by 3. So we took it as 3. Divisor, you took it as 3 in the previous question, right? But here only the number which is common to all the 4 numbers, you will write that number as HCF. Okay, in detail we'll do some more question. You will understand how to do, because by HCF when we are doing, don't use this prime factorization method because it is a lengthier method. So better to use the repeated division method that we do for LCM. Okay, so which method we are going to use for LCM? It will be this method. Okay, how do we see? This is 56 and 48, finding the prime factors and then finding the common. Here you can see 3 2s are common. So your HCF will be 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. So HCF is 8. But how you take LCM? For LCM, it will be 8 into 7 into 2 into 3. That will be your LCM. So why we don't use this method, it becomes a little confusing in HCF. So what we do, we use this method which is called as repeated division method. You know this method, you are familiar with this method. Okay, when we were finding LCM, mostly you find with this method only, right? All of you find with this method? No? Yes, no? So you find with this method, this is the easier method to find. So suppose 24 and 36, you have to find HCF of 24 and 36. What you will do, you will proceed in the same way as we do in HCF, but in LCM. But we have to take only that number which divides both the numbers. Okay, so 24 and 36, what is the first number you will take? You will take 2. You get 12 and 18. Again, you will take 2. You get 6 and 9. Now it is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now you cannot take another number which divides 2 and 3 together. Okay. So what you will do, now your HCF is only this side. Only this side number is HCF, which is 2 into 2 into 3. So your HCF is 2 into 2 into 3, which makes it how much? 12.
12.
LCM is this whole into 2 into 3. So 12 into 2 into 3 is LCM, which is 72. So remember, yes, Abdullah?
Ma'am, why is it multiplied 2 times over here in HCF? It tells 2 by 2 by 3. Why? It should be only 1, 2, right?
Where? 2 times 2 you have taken, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
You will multiply it 2 times. You have divided it 2 times and both of them are divisible. So any number,
Okay, yeah, using this method. Yeah.
understood, this method we are doing, no? So 2, first you divided by 2, both divided, 2 again divided, and 3, then you will get this. Okay, this 2 will not take in HCF. In HCF, we are not going to take this 2 and this 3. Okay, in LCM, we will take this. So remember, LCM is L. So remember L shape for LCM, and H is one straight line, standing line. So you will take only these for HCF. But till where you have to reach that, you should know how, till the point where no more common divisor is there. And for LCM, you can continue. Even if 2 numbers are divisible, you can continue with LCM.
And we can use a prime factorization method for LCM and HCM.
Both, yes. For LCM also you can take prime factorization method. For LCM, what you will do, 2 into 2 into 2, and the rest of the number you multiply the rest of the numbers, you will get LCM. But only the common factors you take and multiply, you will get HCF. So although we say highest common factor, but HCF is always less than or equal to LCM. Most of the time your LCM will be greater. Understood this? See, you can do more questions to understand it in a better way. See, here 90 and 30 is there. First, 0 zeros are there, so it is divisible by 10, but you're going to take only prime numbers first. So 2 se divide here, you will get 45 and 15. Now you can take 5 also, or you can take 3 also. You see, it is divisible by 3 and 5. So first they have taken 3. So 15 and 5, then 5, 3 and 1. No more number can be taken over here because 3 and 1, no more common divisor is there. So what is your HCF? HCF will be 5 into 2 into 3. Okay, this is your HCF. And what is LCM? L shape. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 3 will be your, into 1 will be your LCM. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So let us try doing some question, then you will understand in a better way. So
And with 2 numbers only.
You can get 3 numbers also, 4 numbers also, 5 numbers also. Now we'll do for 2 numbers, then we'll do for 3 or 4 numbers also. But the principle is same, the fundamental is same. See, anything you have to follow fundamentally. The rules you have to follow, any type of number, any large number, 10 digits or 8 digits number, just follow the rule in maths and do it. Okay? So don't get scared of number, larger number or smaller number or quantity of numbers. Okay, so for, the rules will be same. Now just, this is a diagram. I think the time will be over. So still 10 minutes are there. We'll just do the, just see pictorially how can you represent HCF and LCM. 2 numbers are given, 504 and 700. You have to find HCF and LCM. So what is the first step? You will write the factors, prime factors. So prime factors, you know how to find out prime factors. Okay, we did 2-3 classes back only, by using factor tree or by using repeated division. Any method use, and 504 you will get 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 7. And 700 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. Now write these numbers in 2 circles. You can see how many 2's are common in these 2, how many numbers, some numbers are common. So just make 2 circles so that some common area is there. And in this common area, you will write the common numbers. So what are the common numbers? 1, 2 is common, the second 2 is common, and 1, 7 is common, correct? 2 2's and 1 7 is common in these 2 numbers. So you just write in the common place 2, 2 and 7. So this common numbers multiplied together makes what? What is this? This is HCF, because HCF is the common factors in both the numbers. So 2, 2 and 7 are common in both the numbers. So you get 2 into 2 into 7. Clear? Everyone, it is clear? So HCF is this brown color number, which is 7 4s are 28. Now then, what is the LCM? LCM will be multiply all the numbers, which will be 2 into 3 into 3 into this 28 into 5 into 5. So your LCM will be multiplying all these numbers other numbers so that you get the answer. You multiply. I have not written the answer over here. So you multiply and you'll get the answer for LCM. Is it clear, everyone? This is to show you in the picture form how to understand HCF and LCM and the difference between HCF and LCM. Yeah. Clear? Okay. Okay, so let us do one or two questions. 60 and 72, it is, although the solution is there on the board, just do it in your notebook. 60 and 72. Are you getting the answer? You have to find HCF and you have to find LCM, both. Here they have used prime factorization method. You use repeated division method. Okay, repeated division means making this blocks. So 60 and 72, this is your question. I'll just remove this board so that you don't see the solution. Okay, 60 and 72, give me the answer for HCF. Doing, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
60 and 72. You will start with 2. Mera, doing or not? Don't see the
12.
solution. You got 12 is what? HCF or LCM?
HCF.
Yes. 12 is HCF. What is LCM? Muslim not doing?
2.
Ma'am, I did not find the LCM.
HCF you got? Then you can find LCM also. No? 12 into something you have to do for LCM. So what is LCM? Yeah, Farhana? Amina not getting?
Ma'am, I got the HCF.
You got HCF? Everyone has got HCF 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am.
What is LCM? Safia?
Ma'am, 2.
LCM should be greater than HCF or equal to. So what is LCM? Okay, let me
360, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
360.
360.
Yes, ma'am.
We do it here. 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 30, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Then I will divide it by 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. So this one is your HCF.
Ma'am, 360.
So HCF is 3 into 2 into 2, which is 12. And into 5 into 6. So 12 into 30. What is it? 360.
360.
So 360 is the answer. So next class, we are going to practice more questions on HCF and we'll do the long division method also. So today, HCF is clear to you. HCF, we take only this side and for LCM, this whole side. And also, we do take three numbers and find out HCF.
Okay.
Okay, everyone clear?
Yes. Yes.
And also remember to bring for science class on Monday. You have to bring balloons and straw. Keep it ready.
Ma'am, can you repeat the material?
Material will be 4 balloons and 2 straws. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please put the materials on Google Classroom so we can just as a
I'll
reminder?
write it. Today I'll share it on the.
Ma'am, straws are not important, right?
Not important. If you get it, it is fine. But balloons, you keep it ready. If you get straws, it will be good. Okay. Those who are getting the straws, just keep it ready.
Ma'am,
so that they can
ma'am.
see you. Yeah.
Ma'am, two straws.
2 straws and 4 balloons. I'll be writing it in on Google Classroom today.
Okay.
Fine. Okay then, that's all for today's class. See you on Monday science class. And
चलिए इससे पहले मैं आपको एक छोटी सी स्टोरी बता देती हूँ कि एक शख्स होते हैं
Closing the meeting, is that fine? It's done, ma'am?
yeah, it's done, sir. I'm just leaving only.
Okay, no, that's fine. I'll end the meeting. Get a guess. Thank you. Munib, please mute yourself. Yeah. Okay.